Hello, welcome to Sephra Korea's channel. I am her mom Marilyn here. Today my special recipe is mutton kofta curry. Okay, I have half kg of minced, fresh mutton mince, half kg. To this I will add 1 finely chopped onions, 1 fistful of chopped coriander leaves, 2 small sticks of mint leaves chopped, this recipe I'm going to cook in 5 stages very systematically. Now this is for making the kofta balls. Okay, I will add 1 tablespoon of dry coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of cumin seed powder roasted, half tablespoon of red chilli powder. Now this chilli powder you have to put mixed Kashmiri chilli or badgi chilli. This powder is of both the chilies I have mixed and powdered. A pinch of garam masala, two tablespoons of roasted gram flour, half teaspoon of salt as per your taste. I usually use less salt. You can put as per your taste. Half 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon of green chilli paste, half tablespoon, and 1 egg because this egg helps in binding. If you don't want to use egg, you can use 2 bread slices soaked in milk and nicely squeezed, but I will use the egg here. Nicely mix, thoroughly mix it so that all the ingredients are mixed well. Now all the products that I use in my cooking, you can check for the link below in the description box and you will understand where I buy my products from. Okay, mixed well. Now 2 centimeters diameter balls I have to make, kofta balls, and keep it aside. Two centimeters, you know why? Because it should get cooked well. Don't make very big. Diameter is 2 centimeters. So by the time I'll make these balls and keep aside. And now I'll go to the second step. You saw the size of the balls? notice this is second step of my making the kofta curry. Here my kofta balls are ready. The koftas I've taken 2 tablespoons of and tablespoons of ghee, lower the flame. Afterwards you have to put it on medium because the fat in the mutton spurts. Do it very slowly, lower the flame and do it very gently. You have to be very gentle. You can fry it in 2 steps because my pan is not sufficient for frying oil. If you remember, I had kept this on low flame. Now I have increased, made it medium. You keep turning it very delicately. I am going to fry this koftas in 2 batches. Wait, let it get cooked. Increase the flame to medium. Now I'll turn these koftas on the other side so the other side gets fried. Okay, do it very delicately like this. Turn all the koftas. Right. Okay, do it gently, let the flame be medium only. Be careful because the fat in it may spurt. I have reduced the flame, okay, to medium low now. Cover this and cook it for 2 minutes. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Now 2 minutes are over, lower the flame. Lower the flame and remove this one by one and keep it in another dish. See that you drain the oil out. I'll put the second set after this. You put the egg no for binding and the gram flour. Now this is the next step. I'm making the gravy for the kofta. Koftas are fried, for which I will take 1/4 cup of ghee. On low flame only I have kept the vessel, heated it. Okay, now I can make the flame medium. Put 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a cup of cashew paste, reduce the flame, fry the paste well. Afterwards, add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now since this is half teaspoon only, I have added turmeric powder. Stir it well till it leaves the sides. You can increase the flame to medium. See that the masala doesn't burn. The cashew nut paste leaves its own oil. Put half a tablespoon of green chilli paste. Keep on reducing the flame, increasing the flame, because it depends upon the frying of the masala. Half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder. Salt to taste. Half a teaspoon of salt. Let the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste. Add a half cup of water. Half. Right now. Add puree of 2 tomatoes. Keep stirring. You can increase the flame and let the tomato puree get cooked. The raw smell go. I will increase the flame to keep on stirring. Now fold in the half cup of whisk curds, well formed curds, half a cup. Put in reduce the flame. You put it delicately. Cover it and let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Low flame. Now since you have it as a little gravy, I washed the pan where I had fried this with some water and put it in this. Now you can add little more water if you wish and see that you delicately stir it. I'll put little more water because I want gravy. And then you increase the flame, just a minute. Be very delicate in this thing because the koftas are very, very delicate. Cover it and keep it on medium flame. Continue. Look, it has cooked. Keep it for another minute. Then I will garnish with 1 minute. I have to use coconut oil for the seasoning. Just empty the bottle in my steel container. That's good. 4 teaspoons of coconut oil. I have taken 2 sticks of coriander leaves. No, this is what? What should I say that? Leaves. Curry patta leaves.
Curry leaves.
Curry leaves. Okay, these are curry leaves of 2 sticks. Let it fry properly.
I put it off.
I put it off. Just let it be with that heat. I will. Now this is got cooked. I have to empty this seasoning into the and cover it immediately. Put this off. Done. Good. Now I have to garnish with a little coriander leaves which I had chopped and kept little aside. I love to use herbs in my cooking. So close it. Done. Wait for some time before it is served. Okay, I'm opening it after a minute or so. You know why? That aroma of the curry patta leaves should enter the. Now I'm going to serve it in the dish. Okay, and very delicately you have to. Don't worry, 1 or 2 balls will get disturbed here. No problem. You've lifted nicely. My dear viewers, I hope you will enjoy preparing this kofta. It is a little laborious process but awesome to eat. Okay? And you require a lot of patience to prepare this. When you have guests, you can prepare. Lovely. You know, cashew paste gives the richness in that. Herbs also give the flavor. And mutton by itself is tasty. Okay? And for all the ingredients and products that I have used in my cooking channel, for Safra's channel, you check the links that are posted in the description box below the video. Bye. Welcome to my channel. I'll put many more videos and ask for whatever you want to eat. I will prepare. Vegetarian, non-vegetarian, Indian.